Corn dogs here. Get your corn dogs. Get your corn dogs here. I remember last time I had a corn dog at the carnival. I sat at the mustard machine and I didn't leave. I ate the entire corn dog there, so I would take a bite, mustard, bite, mustard, bite, mustard. Some kid was like, "Sir, are you done with the mustard? Do I look like I'm done with my corn dog? Huh? Huh?" Hey folks, I'm Matt from Fidel Gastros, and today I'm going to show you how to take a carnival food staple, the corn dog, jazz it up a few different ways, and more importantly, how to make it easily from your home kitchen thanks to the sponsored video in collaboration with T-fal Easy Clean Deep Fryer. Because think about it, we think we love the carnival, but do we really? I mean, you almost get sick after being upside down for 10 minutes. You spend $100 on a stuffed monkey, it's hot, it's always hot. Let's face it, you love the carnival because you love carnival food. That's why I'm gonna show you how to make a flight of corn dogs. Traditional, Mexican inspired, and tandoori spiced, and we're gonna make it all out of our T-fal Easy Clean Deep Fryer. All right, so before we start cooking, let's fire up our fryer. Now what's awesome about this fryer's temperature heating system is that it reaches those hot deep frying temperatures quickly, which locks in your food's flavor without soaking up too much oil. Now without further ado, let's corn dog. Okay, so before you corn dog, you need to know how to make corn dog batter. I'm gonna show you the traditional recipe. We're gonna split into 3 bowls, and then we're gonna season the other 2. All right, so the first ingredient is a cup of all-purpose flour, followed by a cup of cornmeal, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, salt and pepper. And now we're gonna mix all of our dry ingredients together. All right, so now we're gonna add our wet ingredients. We're gonna have 1 egg, and a cup of milk. Now we're gonna whisk it all together and making sure the batter is clump-free. So for our Mexican inspired, we have a combination of cayenne pepper and garlic powder and a little hit of hot sauce. And we're just gonna mix all that together. And for our tandoori spice, we're gonna add a little bit of tandoori rub and some fresh mango juice. All right, so the tandoori rub is gonna go in, then mango juice. Just like that. Okay, now that I have my 3 corn dog batters, I'm gonna dip my hot dogs into them and carefully place them into the fryer. Once they cook to a nice golden brown, I'm gonna remove them and let them cool a bit before I stick them. Okay, so my corn dogs are fried and ready to go. I'm just gonna let them cool a bit before I skewer them. In the meantime, we're gonna clean the fryer. So, I'm gonna grab this hot container of oil over my head, pour the oil through a sieve into a metal container. Hopefully I don't burn the skin off my arms, is what I'd be saying if I lived in the past, because with the T-fal Easy Clean oil filtration system, all you have to do is switch the knob in the front, the automatic oil filtration setting. Once your oil cools, it'll directly filter into the oil box so you can store it neatly and safely until it's next use. You get to keep all your arm hair, you don't have to worry about a messy cleanup, and you get to crush some corn dogs. Okay, so our corn dogs are skewered and now it's time to dress them up. First, the traditional. Take a little swipe of ketchup down. Corn dog, take some yellow mustard. Sprinkle with some white onions. Pickle on top. All right, for the Mexican inspired one, we're gonna take our salsa and just put it down like so. We're gonna put our seasoned corn dog, take some sour cream, and then garnish it with a couple of jalapenos. All right, and for our last corn dog, our tandoori spiced one, we're gonna take some mango chutney and place that directly on our board. Place our corn dog down. And then we're gonna top it with a garlic and cucumber yogurt. And we're gonna sprinkle just a little bit of that tandoori spice. Well, there you have it, folks. A flight of carnival-inspired corn dogs made easily at home, all thanks to the T-fal Easy Clean Deep Fryer. To pick up your own T-fal Easy Clean Deep Fryer, make sure to click on the link in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe to this channel, and let me know in the comments below what your favorite carnival food is. That, and if you've ever actually won the ring toss. I'm curious. I don't think it's possible. I went traditional first. Gotta wet the palate.